Welcome, sir, to pangalan pa rin. Nakalimutan ko.
Sagada, a town in the mountain province of Luzon. Kilala ang Sagada sa magagandang tanawin ng kalikasan. Bundok, kuweba, talon, at madami pang iba. Kaya naman ako isumama puntahan ito para maranasan ko ang Sagada Experience.
Guys, second day namin sa Sagada and ngayon kami pupunta sa
Marlboro Hill at Blue Soil.
Yung first day kasi namin, kumain lang kami. Tapos natulog. Kain tulog, literal.
Bakit nga ba kami kain tulog lang nung day 1? Yung biyahe kasi papuntang Sagada ay inabot ng 12 hours galing Cubao. Sa pagod namin, nakatulog kami hanggang inabot na ng alas 2 ng hapon. Kaya kumain na lang kami sa Yogurt House at sa Sagada Cellar Door. Itong day 2 namin sa Sagada, gumising kami ng maaga para subukan maabutan ang Sea of Clouds sa Marlboro Hills. Sea of Clouds. Ito ay puntahan ng mga tao para makapag-post ng Instagrammable na picture o video. Ngunit para mapuntahan ito, kailangan mong magsakripisyo. Gigising ng maaga. Maglalakad ng malayo. Tatawirin ang matatarik na daan. Madudumihan. Mapapagod. Madudulas. At iba pa. Pero sa dulo, makikita mo ang
Fog. Fogging shit. So yun, update. Nakita nyo naman yung Sea of Clouds, naging Sea of Fog. So ngayon, punta kami sa Blue Soil.
Babalik na tayo.
Di pa natin nakikita ang One Piece, babalik na tayo.
Nandun pa rin.
Saan?
Bawal lumakit.
Kita na ba yun? Yun si Luffy. Pero Luffy, paano tumakbo? Luffy! Luffy! Luffy, bumalik ka, Luffy! Luffy! Check mo, meron nawawala sa'yo. Sabi nga, don't open big lion inside. Nandito yung lion.
Rar.
Ito na yung huling araw namin sa Sagada and ginamit ko yung oras na to para makapag-relax and pahinga. Kaya binalikan ko yung favorite place na kainan ko, which is yung Yogurt House, and dito ako nagmuni-muni ng kaunti at inalala yung mga na-experience ko dito sa Sagada.
I know that you're trying to fix me, but I don't wanna be like you. If you wanna take it back to the 50s, maybe I'm not the guy for you. You're dying not to work, but work until you die, you know that's true. Have you thought it through? Cause you love to tell me what to do. Say no, I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. You should go and get out, I'll make you regret it. Someone like you should worry about. Maybe your two's upside down, and I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. I don't wanna put on a smile, everybody expects me to. So you can keep your suit and your tie, gotta hope that it strangles you. Yeah, I do. You buy shit you don't need to impress the ones you hate, that's so f***ed up. Cause everything you own just ends up owning you. So, dear society, you suck. Say no, I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. You should go and get out, I'll make you regret it. Someone like you should worry about. Maybe it's you who's upside down, and I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it.
Bye po. Hindi po.